Counting Colors treasure hunt. Welcome to the magic forest. The friends explore the forest. Suddenly, Donut spots something. Look, I found a treasure chest. The others rush over to see. Wow, but it's locked with numbers. The friends examine the mysterious lock. Maybe we can solve it together. The friends put their heads together. Capitana notices clues in the forest. Let's explore for more clues. The adventure begins. The friends discover numbered trees. Let's count the trees. 1, 2, 3. Counting helps us find the right number. The friends practice counting together. The trees glow brighter as they count. Great job, everyone! The number 3 appears magically. We found our first clue. Let's find the next clue. The friends enter a colorful glade. We need to match the colors. The friends examine the color puzzle. Red like strawberries. Yellow like donuts with cream. Blue like the sky. The friends gather colored items. Yes! Red, blue, yellow. Easy. Colors are fun. The color puzzle activates. The number 5 appears in colored light. We have 2 numbers now. Let's return to the treasure chest. The friends return to the chest. Let's try the numbers we found. Art carefully turns the lock. First number 3. Second number 5. The lock begins to glow. The chest slowly opens. A magical glow fills the clearing. It's a magic book. The book sparkles with knowledge. Knowledge is the real treasure. Learning is fun. The friends discover more treasures. The friends celebrate their discovery. Best treasure ever. Mimi reads from the magic book. Tut practices counting with new toys. Capitana maps their adventure. The forest celebrates with them. The magic book reveals more secrets. A map to new adventures appears. The friends make plans for next time. time to head home with our treasures. The friends gather their discoveries. See you in the next adventure. The magic forest awaits their return. Magic Forest. Like, subscribe, and smile. Welcome to our magic forest. Don't forget to like. Subscribe for more adventures. Click the bell. See you soon. Tap like and subscribe. Thanks, friends. Bye-bye.